Hi my loves! Valentine's Day is around the corner, love is in the air, love is in the hair, and whatever love means for you right now, whether it's romantic love, platonic love, maybe some Galentine's Day vibe, or self-love, which is the best form of love. If you don't have a Valentine, I will be your Valentine and you will be mine. I'm super excited to get into these hairstyles. I feel like they're fairly easy, they're super cute, lots of ribbons and bows going on. I wanted to share super quick that I'm running a sale on Praise Hair Care. 25% off everything, all my favorite hair care products, with the code Valentine. Let's get into this video. Okay, so here's the first super cute hairstyle. I'm just grabbing a section of hair towards the front middle of my head and I'm gonna begin braiding. As you all know, my hair is really long, so for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna braid all the way down. I'm gonna stop about midway. So if your hair's on the longer side, you can braid all the way down, or you can stop where I did because I think it still looks cute. Now I just cut some ribbon and I'm gonna tie a bow around the little elastic that I used to tie off the braid. You can cut the ribbon to your desired length. You can have either a super long ribbon somewhere in the middle like me or a shorter one. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side and try to match it as evenly as possible. I started it at the same part of my head and braided it the same length. And now you can definitely stop here. This is super cute, or you could be extra like me and add another 2 braids. Totally optional, but I just feel like why not? The more the merrier, right? I've also been obsessed with red lately and I'm really loving how the red looks against my hair. Here's the second style, an iconic double braid. This is one of my favorite hairstyles, but I just girlified it a little bit for Valentine's Day. I'm starting off by slicking my hair back, and I'm gonna put it into a ponytail. Before brushing my hair back is when I would usually add some product in to slick it back, but I already have some in from earlier. And now I'm just going in with a styling comb just to make sure everything is laid down, looking nice and sleek. Split the pony in 2, try to make it as even as possible, and then start braiding each one individually. I really do love the slicked back double braid. I think it's so cute and it's really a head turner. I'm using these little plastic elastics, oop, that rhymed, to tie off at the bottom of my hair because I just feel like it secures it better. And especially if you're adding ribbons or bows, which we are, it covers up very easily. I got this gorgeous lace ribbon. I got it in white and black off Amazon. I'm gonna link all the ribbons and bows that I use in the description. So first I cut 2 pieces and I'm gonna tie them to each side over the elastics. Again, how long you want your ribbon to be is totally up to you. You can have them super big, super small, but either way, the 2 ribbons on the tails of the braid is so cute to me. Here I am just trimming them a little bit to make it a bit more even, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I think it's so cute, but we're not done there because now we're gonna take a longer ribbon and do the top. I always start by wrapping the ribbon under the hair tie first and then tying it over. And I probably could have made this ribbon a little bit longer just for some extra oomph, but I think it's really cute. This is definitely one of my faves because like I said, I already love the double braid, but adding the bows just really did something more for me. And I think this will be such a cute look in the spring too. Hairstyle number 3, this one I think is the easiest. It's just 2 pigtail braids with some ribbon tied at the top, but if you want to get spicy, you can add some ribbon at the bottom too. I started off by parting my hair down the middle, and now I'm just slicking my hair down behind my ears, and I'm taking a clear elastic. This is just to hold the hair in place while I braid, and it's going to be the spot where we put the ribbon at. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side, and now we're just going to braid all the way down. Tying it off now at the bottom, and I really like to fluff out my braids just to make them appear fluffier and bigger. And now we're braiding on the other side all the way down, and we're gonna fluff it out too. And here we have our ribbon. I'm doing pink this time, and it's going to be on the longer side. For this hairstyle, I kind of like the looser, floppier look. But again, it's totally up to you if you do this hairstyle and you want them longer, if you want them shorter, the world is your oyster. I also think this hairstyle would be super cute for spring. It kind of gives me like Little Bo Peep vibes. Hairstyle number 4, we're gonna do a super cute, simple half up, half down. I have a middle part in already, and I'm just taking my hair and I'm slicking it back. If you don't own a bristle brush, you need one to do slick back hairstyles. I feel like they just don't come out the same without one. After the little pony is in, I'm gonna go in with my hair mask and my styling comb. I'm currently out of hair gel, so a hair mask is always my backup, but I really like using a hair mask because it always leaves my hair feeling super soft and not crunchy like gel does. I gently brush with my styling comb to make sure there's no flyaways, and I grab my super cute bow from Amazon. I love that it has this clip, so it's literally 1, 2, 3. I clipped it over where the hair tie is and let the tails fall on either side of it. This is definitely a timeless hairstyle. It's super cute, simple, but really pretty. But you know we're extra, so if you want to take it a step further, you can braid that pony. I'm always for elevating hairstyles. I really feel like you can take one hairstyle and make it into at least 4 or 5. I just love variety. I love mixing it up, and this is what I'm here to share with you. Like, look how cute that is. I love it. Here is the next hairstyle. We're gonna do a slicked back high bun, and of course we have to add a ribbon. Again, this is where I would put cream or hair gel, but I already have some left over in my hair, and I'm gonna start off by acting like I'm doing a half up, half down. This is a key part for me in doing high buns. I feel like it gives you a lot more control over the slickness of the bun. I feel like when I try to just do it with a ponytail, this could be just because I have a lot of hair, but it's just really messy and I just get so annoyed so easily. Once the first pony's in, we're gonna take our bristle brush and just slick up the rest of the hair and then combine it into one ponytail. I'm just going in with my styling comb, brushing out my baby hairs, making sure they're all laid down, no flyaways over here. And now we're gonna twist the pony and wrap it around. I've received a lot of questions of how I do my buns because I have such long hair. This is how I do it. I literally just twist and wrap, twist and wrap. And once I run out of hair, that's when I tie it off with a hair tie. So now we have our bun looking super cute and clean, and I got this adorable frilly pink ribbon. I don't know which one I like better, this one or the lace. But again, I'm starting it from below and then tying it over, and then I'm just gonna do a little bow on top and let it hang off. This is another super classic hairstyle that you could just liven up a little bit with some ribbon or a bow. Or if you're having a bad hair day and want to make it look like you put more effort into your look, this is always a good go-to. This ribbon is really so gorgeous. It absolutely screams Valentine's Day. And finally, the last hairstyle, I think this is the 6th or the 7th, similar to the first one we did, but instead of doing braids, we're gonna do a bubble pony. I'm grabbing a section of hair towards the middle of my head and tying it off with an elastic. I'm gonna do a total of 4 bubbles, so here I am doing the first one. I tie off with a second elastic and then gently tighten the hair so the elastic moves up, forming that little bubble. You could also pull the little bubble apart with your fingers just to give it a little bit more volume. Again, you can personalize this style to your liking by doing more bubbles or making smaller bubbles or bigger bubbles. The farther apart you spread the elastics, the bigger the bubble will be, and vice versa. And now, of course, we're gonna match it on the other side. I like to take some hairspray and just go through the bubble braid and then gently run my hand over just to tame any flyaways. And now I'm gonna go in with my ribbon. For this look, I did make the ribbons a little bit smaller because I wanted the bows to be cute and tiny. I felt like since this look has a lot of ribbons, smaller bows would be a cuter look. I think I might have cut them about 6 inches max. And then again, I'm just going over each elastic, tying the bow over to cover it up. Now the last bow, I did cut a little bit longer because I wanted it to hang with the rest of my hair. Looking super cute, and then you already know we're gonna match it up on the other side. And here is the final look. I'm obsessed. I think this one is my favorite. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, my love. Let me know in the comments which hairstyle was your favorite and which one you plan to try out. I really hope you liked this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.